The Mityvac MV7840 is a professional-grade tool designed for efficient hydraulic brake and clutch bleeding, suitable for various vehicles including cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Featuring a large 2.5-quart reservoir, this kit ensures extended use without the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for servicing multiple vehicles. Equipped with the MVA575 flexible hose and a control valve, the kit provides precise fluid control, facilitating smooth and mess-free operation in tight spaces. The isolated flow control feature guarantees optimal pressure delivery, preventing air from entering the system and ensuring safe and efficient bleeding. This bleeding kit includes a comprehensive master cylinder adapter set, enhancing its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles from motorcycles to automobiles. Mityvac's long-standing reputation in automotive tools is reflected in the MV7840's robust design and versatility, making it a reliable choice for both professional and DIY mechanics.